What is going on, everybody? Patrick Quick here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm headed to the river because I have yet to catch a fish from the river, and it's about time that I do so. With that being said, I will see you on the water. Fish. Fish. Oh, nice fish. My first river fish. Oh, it broke off. Oh, man. Babe, I got a fish. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'll call you right back. We're on. Oh, yeah. Bass from the river. His gill's a little bit messed up. I'm not sure why. But that's awesome. That's my first river bass, my first fish out of a river. Super stoked about that. Look at that guy. I'm glad he's not bleeding. I'm surprised his gill's like that. Awesome little pounder though. Let's get it back in the water. That short little river fishing session was a success. I was only out there for an hour after work today. I had a meeting at 5, so I wasn't able to go out as much as I wanted to or stay there as long as I wanted to. But I didn't get skunked, and to land that fish was awesome. That bigger one, that first one, my excitement got to me. When I tightened that drag, that's all it took, and it snapped off. I should have finessed it. I should have let it keep taking the drag and running, knowing that I had the lighter line. But people make mistakes. I learned from it. I will get back out there, and I am going to make sure that I land a monster at that exact same spot, because if that one's there, there's going to be more. It's a nice little kind of shallow pocket. You can see like maybe 1 to 2 foot visibility, and then it tapers off, and then you can see where the tree stumps are and the logs that lay down. And that's how I got that bass. I threw that little Anisoptera, little micro finesse jig right in front of that down log, and it popped it. If you want a little bit more of the fishing tips and tricks, don't tighten your drag too much when you're on light line, and you'll break off. Like you've seen, it's evident. So, as always, thanks for sticking with me, and I will catch you all later.